My family has loved the Chiefs like as long as I can remember.
Nurse at the University of Kansas Health System, Suzanne Lopez, holds on tight to those childhood Chiefs memories, like traveling from Western Kansas to Chiefs training camp in River Falls.
I used to stay in one of the motels that they have in town and go scout out all the players and try to get autographs.
But the Chiefs are more than just football to Suzanne. They take her closer to her mom, Barbara, who died when Suzanne was 16.
You want to remember your loved ones that have passed in their most joyous moments. And her being a Chiefs fan and rooting for her Chiefs was definitely when she was the happiest. And so that's how I try to remember her.
Barbara, as Suzanne puts it, was the original Chiefs fangirl.
There was one game where she took a Chiefs jersey and embedded it with LED Christmas lights and had a Rudolph nose and a Rudolph antlers and wore that lit up. She was always all out for the games.
And then there was Marcus.
I don't remember Marcus that much other than getting his autograph, but my mom was in love with Marcus. It was her favorite player, and I remember just her always screaming for Marcus and so excited. Plus, he's really handsome, so that helps.
And Marty.
He definitely, I think, made us the team that we are today and kind of helped develop the amount of followers the Chiefs maybe have today.
For this nurse, during a time of COVID, watching the Chiefs win another Super Bowl is big. But going back in time, even better.
When you love a team so much and maybe you have a personal connection to them like I do, you just kind of keep holding on to the memories that you had.
And if you think Chiefs Stadium is some sort of sacred ground,
I just feel such a connection with her there.
Suzanne couldn't agree more.
I feel if there were a heaven for a Chiefs fan, it'd be Arrowhead. You think of all the Chiefs fans that have passed, that's probably, I would like to think that's where they reside.